Hello YouTube, the sun is finally coming out. We were getting sprinkled on a while ago. We've been off this project for probably 3 or 4 days. We got one piece cut over there and it's got a crack we have to weld. This completely fell apart. So I have pictures on the other side where I laid some scraps and welded it. And yes, it's on this rickety table. You don't want to know how. It'll lean one way and I'll push the other way. Believe me, I'm keeping my feet out of the way. There's what the beads look like. There were some pretty big gaps. We're only welded to this far because it's going to be about here cut off. So there's progress so far. We're going to take the sander flapper disc. We thought about putting some Bondo in to make it look good, but we're just going to smooth it out and paint it. This thing's going to be buried in the ground. We'll see the top of it, but we're not putting a whole lot of work into this. This is just to hold this together. We're not going to weld the other side either. This will be welded to the side of that, with that end where the X's are. So stay tuned. We'll bring you a little bit more. This is going to be a real short video today. I'm already looking at my timer. Stay tuned. There will be plenty of pictures at the end. Okay, we're done. There's a bow in here. See the light? You see the light shining underneath? Like I said, it's nothing precise. This will be welded on to make my X pattern. Here's all the welding I have to do on this. I timed my welder out. It quit on me. I was getting so carried away. Probably was about this far, really into some heavy, big gap down at this end. I wish it would have been the other end. I timed the welder out, and it took about a good 15-20 minutes for it to start working again. The fan will stay running. The Lincoln 140 HD. You will not have no wire speed. You will not have nothing. Just go sit down, have a break, say a few prayers. That's the second time I've done that. I did it welding on my Vice project, but that's all you get. They're used to showing that being welded. And I did take a picture of the other side where I put a couple little scraps. But got to thank my neighbor kid. Well, he's older than a kid now, but he came over and put this up on her so I could cut it. And I could barely move this over to that table. I mean, it took everything I had. I had to get it just right, lift it just right with my back. Now this one doesn't really weigh that much. Okay, I'm going to weigh these, okay? This one, on a bathroom scale, 16.5 inches. We'll do the math of how many inches of metal we've used. That's 4 foot. And we will give you an approximate someday of what this thing's going to weigh total. Because when I'm done, I got a piece of plywood to put this up on here. Now we're going to piece of 2x4 plywood on here and lay this down and weld the ears onto it. And I'm probably just going to have to take and winch it off with the tractor. So we have to get the tractor out of here. It's behind me, and have it out here somewhere in the yard and get this welded and drag it off the cart. But if it quit raining, I mean, it's a mud hole. Oh, see these PVC 1.5 tube? I had that underneath here. Okay, so you can roll it back and forth. When I was cutting it, worked really good. It didn't crush it either. I thought it would. I mean, it squished them, but I should have took a picture of that. Maybe I'll pick it up and take a picture so y'all can remember what I just said about rolling that on there. So thanks for watching. We're out of here. We're done for the day.